to come near me again.
Wendy! Wendy! They were just having a little fun, weren't you, girls?
That's all. We were only trying to drown her.
Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. Today's victim of the Twisted Disney series is Wendy, darling. So first of all, we're gonna remove this makeup. Much better like this, and I also removed the dress, but I am still wearing a top, so no worries. As always, my trusty good friend, the Elmer's glue to protect my brows. Today we will be working with a couple of prosthetics. All of these prosthetics are self-made, and especially the last one is one of my first molds ever that I made 12 years ago. Oh my god. Yep, I'm an old fart. Using Prosthetics to attach and alcohol to dissolve. I'm applying a thin layer of Prosthetics on the back of the prosthetic, and I'm gonna do the same on my chest. And basically when both of these sides are dry, you can stick them together. Doing the same for the face prosthetics. And then of course we can start dissolving the edges. I was a bit scared because the prosthetic that I put on my chest was so old. I had it laying around for 2 years and the edges were so crusty. Yikes. But it actually looked pretty good. Not bad at all. Like I said, I'm using IPA to dissolve the edges, but some prosthetics need acetones. So do make sure you have the right product to dissolve your prosthetics with. Once everything is dry, we can powder it. Time to grab my Skin Illustrator Flash palette. This is alcohol activated, so you need IPA to start painting. I decided to base out my whole skin tone with a very pale foundation. I'm using this Mula contour palette to start shading and create some depth in my face structure. You can see how it immediately makes the prosthetics pop. I'm slowly building it up until I have the desired dead-like look. Our darling Wendy is a drowning victim, so we need her to look drowned. That means bluish lips, bluish tones, a bit of purple around the eyes. Did I mention my idea? So basically there's this scene in Peter Pan where Wendy tags along with Peter and they visit the mermaids, and the mermaids try to drown her for fun. And I thought it would be super fun if we did a little collab of Tink and the mermaids. So basically Tink and the mermaids assaulted Wendy and drowned her. And obviously Tinkerbell thinks Wendy is a whore for stealing Peter Pan, so yeah. I'm finishing up the look with some extra seashells and, how is it called? Seaweed? Something you find at any florist. A couple of black tears because of course she has been crying and she has been laying in the water for hours, so her mascara has been running. And because she was drowned, we need her to look wet. This is the sweat jelly from Creole, but honestly any gloss will do. And there she is, our darling Wendy. Not so happy. Hope you guys liked it, and I'll be back tomorrow with another princess. See ya!